零食时间 ，Baby Snack
我
Time。
讲这个，
Snack Time by Judy Li.
和你讲中文。
Can I just read English? 啾啾宝宝爱吃零食。
No，
哎，我在念中文呢。
我要念这个。
英文 English? Okay, baby Juju loves to snack. Snacks are yummy but also fun. Every day she learns new things during snack time. Okay, ready? Here's the fun part.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Chinese?
1,
中文
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, very good. And what's this?
Strawberry.
左右左边右边 Okay, anyways. Baby Juju learns left and right. Put all the strawberry sticks to the left. Put all the chocolate sticks to the right. Okay, she's not interested in this one. What's this?
3个
中文怎么说
三角形
What's this?
rectangle.
No, that's a rectangle. What's this?
I don't know.
大声一点
那这个呢？
Square?
对，
Can you say it loudly?
正方形
Yes. What's this?
star
中文
星星，椭圆形
Oval? Yeah?
oval
Yeah, what's this?
circle
中文怎么说
圆形
All right. Baby Juju learns shapes. What's this? What color?
yellow
Chinese, please.
黄色 pink
No.
purple
Yeah.
no this one
Okay. 你说
紫色
Yeah.
紫色
No.
绿色
Yeah. 英文怎么说
green
Oh, you know how to say green? Impressive. Most impressive. What's this?
red
Chinese, please.
红色橘色
Okay.
orange
Very nice. Extra credit. Rawr. Baby Juju learns animal names. What's this?
长颈鹿
Yeah, 这个呢
pig
Pig 怎么说
elephant elephant elephant
中文怎么说
elephant
Can you say it?
大象
这个呢你最喜欢的
兔兔
安妮这个呢
lion
Lion 怎么叫
哦这个
What's it?
lamb
Lamb? Sheep?
yes
Sheep?
yes yes
What's this?
lion
Lion 怎么叫 Nice. 这个呢
chicken
Chicken 怎么叫
bok bok
What's this?
strawberry
In the middle? Louder?
apple
中文怎么说
苹果
这个呢
banana
I want to hear Chinese, honey.
香蕉
What's this?
I don't know 哈密瓜
这个呢
peach
中文怎么说
peach
中文怎么说 Peach.
peach 水葡萄
水蜜桃
水蜜桃
右边呢
荔枝
Okay. Baby Juju learns fruit names. Look at all the things Baby Juju learned today.
我最喜欢这个了
那是什么东西
这是 baby 熊猫
Do you like this one? What's this?
营养多
养乐多 Then what else?
this one
That's only two?
yes
Okay. 看完了是不是
那你喜欢什么呢
我喜欢吃啤酒
那不是吃啤酒啦那你喜不喜欢这个
有时候太甜了
这个呢
Pudding? Yeah? Yeah?
这个
Yeah?
这个
Yes?
这个
No? No?
这个
Yes?
yes
Maybe?
这个
Okay. Look at all the things. Okay.
拜拜